What's up, you all? Welcome back to another video. So today I figured I would give you some of the things that I've promised you all, like an update on me decorating my room and also a few new products that I have picked up. So this is gonna be like a vlog style type day because I have some errands to run and I don't know, maybe you're interested in seeing that. Let me give you an update on how this room situation is going. So I picked up this lamp. I love it, like the details, the cracked glass, so cute. I got it for about $35 or $40 from HomeGoods. Yeah. You all, I am obsessed with HomeGoods ever since I started living in an apartment. It has become one of my favorite stores. It's about 40 bucks, and I'm pretty sure you can find something similar. They actually had a lot of these, the style lamp and the one that I went to. As you all know, I have my plants, and I still haven't even named them. But funny story, I actually went to go pick up a pot for this, and it didn't fit. This is the pot I have purchased. This I got from Target for $9.99, and yeah, it didn't fit it at all. Like, it's actually way too big. So another thing that I wanted to pick up was some wall art, and I had a few from my last apartment, which I've had since I lived in college. So anyways, thought I'd buy some new ones finally. So these are the new prints that I picked up, one being let's see if I can get this to focus. So yeah, I really love this. Shorty's holding a peach and some flowers, and yeah, the moon behind her, or maybe it's the sun, whatever your interpretation of it is. I also got this little guy here, which is a greenhouse. So I really like that. I was thinking about putting this in my bathroom, but I ended up putting a different print in my bathroom, which I'll show you all in a few. Yeah, my plant is there. Oh, I really wanted to show you all these little plugins, and I know it's nothing special, but I had an extension cord, and I have this thing about cords showing. Like, I'm honestly impressed whenever I see any interior design and like, or anyone's home that just doesn't have cords showing. It's honestly a goal of mine. But since we're not there yet, I went and picked up this guy from IKEA. So they have these, they're about $5, but you basically plug them into the wall like so, and yeah, so you can, comes with 6 on there, and I actually have one behind my dresser, so you don't even see any cords or anything. It's just there. So lastly, we have this one. I love this print. It is so cute. I feel like it's me, you know, when I'm on vacation or something. You all seen my bed before. This pillow I got from IKEA. This one's from IKEA as well. The bed set in, it's actually a duvet cover. That is from Wayfair. So I have also gotten a few people, well, my friends that have come over here. They're like, oh my gosh, you're so organized. Like, if they ask me like, hey, do you have this? I can tell them and direct them to exactly where it's at in my bathroom. So I just wanted to show you all. These are bins that I picked up from Target. They're about 2 for $5. They're super cheap. So 2 come in a pack, and I basically use them to separate all of my like hair care, skincare, and makeup. As you can see, the matching one is down there. But basically how I've separated out these bins, everything in this one has all my like hair care products for when I have my hair curly. This is for, no, straight, because that's my blow dryer right there. But anyways, anytime my hair is straight, you can find all the products in there. Anytime my hair is curly or in a natural protective hairstyle, I leave all the products in there. So you can separate them out, don't have to look through both. Everything in this bin, you know, all my skincare stuff. So yeah, if you're ever looking for skincare, you know exactly which bin to grab it out of. And then everything in this bin is my makeup, and as you can see, it's like busting open, but you know, I guess that's a good problem to have, right? So on the topic of new products, skincare, beauty, and all that good stuff, I wanted to show you all a few things. First and foremost, it's the Alpine Beauty. This is their Wild Crafted Actives. But this is their Plant Genius Survival Serum, and I have really been liking this. I have it on right now, and basically it's a serum, but it has like a pearl to it, almost like a gold pearl reflective. I don't know if you can even tell really, but basically it just gives your skin that nice glow, and it looks so great under your makeup. I recently got a box from Influencer, and if you are in the influencer row, I highly recommend you just trying out the website, because every now and then you'll be selected to get a box of products to try out. Anyways, just so you all can see the products, these are the Kiss Naked Drama lashes. I really like flare lashes like this. Pretty natural, but they still have that drama, so I guess that hence the naked drama. But I really like this style. I'm going to New York City in a few weeks, so definitely going to try these out there. Like I said, the Prid Smiles. This is empty, and I actually have it in the bathroom, but it's basically like, it looks like a balm or something. But as you all can see, I have used this. The Even New York City Main Magic 10-in-1 shampoo. I guess when I take these braids out, I will let you all know how that goes. And then, like I said, the Wet n Wild. I actually sprayed this in their primer. They kind of go hand in hand, but they're both, I got the coconut scent, and I love the scent of coconut. If you are like sensitive to products that have, you know, fragrance, I wouldn't recommend this for you. But, you know, it's something to have, you know, in your collection. So now I am going to head to Trader Joe's because I need to go ahead and meal prep for the week. Well, tomorrow, because I'm going to a few cookouts today. I need to pick up some new glass Tupperware, and I actually saw these earrings in there the other day that I love so much, and I left, and then I had a dream about them, so now that means I have to get them. Ryan Little.
Japan.
I ended up picking up this necklace. It's so cute. I did end up getting the earrings only because they were a bit smaller than I thought they would be. Now, I want to say also, the Popeyes chicken sandwich is mad cheap. Like, that's why they got all these people showing up to Popeyes, because the sandwich is $4, and anyone knows Popeyes is pretty expensive for fried chicken. Like, their little meals do not, I don't know, they're not the most affordable. Basically, they need to be more expensive because, you know, just from a quick economic standpoint, anyone who's taken an economics class knows supply and demand. The lower the supply, the higher the demand, that means the price usually needs to be higher, so it helps control the demand. Like, it's pretty simple. So I definitely think that sandwich is not going to be $4 after a while. That joint is definitely going to go up, and I know Popeyes is like, oh my god, people are so impatient. Like, anyways, but like, I know Popeyes is probably kicking themselves in the ass because they could have been making a bag off of that shit. I hate when people are like, you see me chilling in my car, stop trying to take my car spot, come back in like 2 minutes. Alrighty, it's cute everyday necklace. That's what I like to wear. So my trunk is open, or at least looks like it. Oh my gosh, you guys, my trunk was really open. Like, I'm a little concerned because it's just like, was it open when I went to Trader Joe's? All right, you all, so I am back from Trader Joe's. Let me show you what I picked up. Alright, you all, so I just finished making my Bake Me Out spicy chicken wrap. This is a habanero lime tortilla from Trader Joe's. I really like this. Then I got some spinach on here, some cut up tomatoes. I went ahead and cut up the chicken slices and put a little bit of buffalo on there as it was getting ready to finish cooking. Feta cheese. Feta is it's one of the cheeses that has like the least amount of dairy, I believe. I was reading up on it last weekend. I'm gonna put this sauce that I picked up from Mom's. It's called Bitchin sauce. So it comes in original. There's another one that's like a hummus, and this one is the cilantro chili. So just for an extra kick, I'm gonna put this in there. All right, you all, I'm going to end this vlog here. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all found something that you might want to try yourself. And also be sure to subscribe, like, thumbs up this video, and let me know if you have any questions. Just leave them below. And yeah, I will see you all in the next one. I'm still watching 13 Reasons Why, and I'm trying to figure out who I hate the most because all of these kids are getting on my nerves. So there's that. Bye. Thanks for watching.